For the next few exercises, we need to understand the compensative law. Compensative law. It is to compensate for something. And what we basically do is we round up numbers by adding or subtracting a number and then compensate. And so if we add here, then we're going to subtract by compensation. And if we subtract here, we're going to add by compensation. The opposite that the number would. Without changing the result, that is very important. And then we say the sum has compensated properties. That is the property there. Although it's a law, it's more a property. Let's look at an example. We've got 367 plus 154. We don't want to just grab our calculators. So if I look at this 367, to change it to 370, which will make it easier to work with, I just need to add 3. Now if I add 3 here, then I must subtract 3 there. So I round this number off to 370, then I must subtract 3 there. And now it's easier, because 370 plus 151 is 521. Only thing that we need to do is we need to be careful when we work with subtraction. So let's look at it. 356 minus 247. Maybe it would be easier to make either that 360, but maybe this will be easy if this is 250. Notice this is minus 247. So if I want this to become minus 250, I must subtract 3 from it to make it minus 250. And if I subtract 3 here, then I must add 3 here. So now I know that 259 minus 359 minus 250 is easy. It's 109. So we just need to be careful with the subtraction. Now, remember that only addition and subtraction, only in these two cases, we can be compensative. It does not apply to multiplication and division. It only applies to addition and to subtraction. You need to memorize this law. Memorize the name of the law. It's important that I know your name. It's important you know my name. So it's important that you know the law's name. Memorize how it works. Remember that it's important that we need to be careful when we subtract, that we must also subtract to get to that number. And remember, it's important that it only applies to addition and to subtraction. And I hope that this law can help you to make your work so much easier.